I've been using this for 3 months now. I've used it before. It was really good on my skin. Then I stopped using it. Then I started using it again. And I can tell you for free that this is good. It has a lot of hype around it, especially when it came out. Um, is it worth the hype? Sort of. I'm not gonna say yes. I'm not gonna say no. I'm just gonna be in between. Like I'm gonna sit on the fence in on this one. However, it moisturizes well, and we know that the snail slime, whatever, heals the skin and protects the skin barrier. Um, it has been doing pretty well for my skin. I still have a little bit of hyperpigmentation right there, and I'm hoping that this with a combination of other stuff are gonna get rid of it. Um, I've not used it. I like to use a product for a very long time before giving my final decision. So I've only used this for, I'm going to the third month now. So I'm not going to dwell on the fact that, oh, it's not doing anything. I think it is, although I use a couple of other products where I think it is. And I think it's what a trial. Yeah, I think you should try it. My skin is pretty good. You can see, let me move closer to the camera. You can see my skin is pretty good, and just I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation on the sides, and I'm doing everything I can to get rid of it. This is one of the products I'm using. I'll try to use it for a while longer, for about 6 months. Then I'll tell you my very brutal truth. So, yeah, the good thing about it is it gives you this very glossy and glassy effect when you rub it. So it's a good cream. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's good. However, for some people it might not be really good, but it's good. It's good for dry skin and flaky skin. It has the snail secretion filtrate. It has betaine. It also has allantoin and panthenol. So yeah, and it has the xanthan gum, which makes it really like slimy and stuff. So yeah, so I'll be using it for a while longer, like I said, and I'll give you my honest review after 6 months. Beware of buying the fake. If you want to buy the genuine one, buy from a trusted supplier or from the website, the Cosrx website. Stay safe out there, and yeah, follow me, subscribe to my channel, and follow me because I want to achieve the glassy skin, and I'm gonna achieve it one step at a time. I'm doing all I can, and yeah, on a budget too. Skin friendly on a budget. Have a good day, and bye.